Today I am vlogging a day in the life, and today I am going to run a bunch of errands and just show y'all what I do in a day. Let's get into it. So I am going to head out to some stores to buy groceries, to buy stuff for my house. I haven't eaten today, but I ate really rough yesterday, y'all. And so I'm just gonna get me some water for now, and then I will probably grab me some kind of berries or some kind of bar or something in the streets. But I'm not really hungry this morning, which is always a problem for me because I don't really be hungry in the mornings. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all just what I'm doing. Phase 4 of the reopening from COVID-19 is happening in Chicago. I fully feel like we're going to regress to phase 2 very soon. But until then, I'm gonna show y'all how phase 4 looks for us and my life. So I'm at Costco, shopping around. I really came for some very specific things, but I like to look and see if they have anything that I need. And there are a few things that I need and have put on my list that they actually have. I don't know if I want to buy them though. It's so civilized here, like for what it could be. It's very civilized here. Shocked. So I'm back in my car, and it's very hard to vlog in Costco. It's a lot going on there. It's just a lot going on in general. I'm now in Home Goods. I love this place. I probably need nothing, but I'm probably gonna buy something. Decor and things to put in my room. This is cute. I just have nowhere to put that, but I'm looking to put some flowers, but not some real ones because I just don't have the lighting on the nightstand, and I don't really know what I want. I also love these. I want to buy these and put these in the vase, so I'm really excited about that. But there's a lot of noise here too. But yeah, I'm just like trying to figure out. I'm buying this to put a plant in, and I just need to figure out how I'm going to make my desk, my nightstands and things look great. And I'm working on my vanity project, so I'm looking for things for that. So yeah, that's what we're doing at Home Goods today. So I went to Trader Joe's already, and the line was so long that I just kept going. And I came down to Whole Foods. I'm on the north side of the city, and this line is so long that I'm just gonna go back to my side of town and see how those lines are so I can grocery shop. If that doesn't work, I may have to go back out tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, because it's just too much, guys. Too much. I'm at the Whole Foods. This is the closest Whole Foods to where I live, so it makes sense for me to be here. I'm about to pick up my usuals. Y'all done seen me grocery shop before, so you know my usual things. I'm gonna pick them up and I'm gonna go home. I'm tired, y'all. I am on my elevator and the doorman so nicely packed this stuff up, and there's my $16 plan I got at Michael's, which I'm super excited about. Home decor, groceries, all that good stuff. And it's like 3 o'clock. What a day already. At Home Goods and Marshall's, I end up buying about 6 pillows, all cream, beige-ish. Our room has tons of colors, you can see from my rug. I end up buying these baskets at Home Goods, which I'm kind of obsessed with. And then this that I showed you guys earlier, this beautiful plant, like it's a faux plant. I don't get a lot of light in here, so I didn't put a real one. I bought this. This is so good, so beautiful, and like smells so good. It smells so good, so pretty. So I'm doing some decor work in my room. I also bought some pillows that I needed. I needed some pillows, and I bought I bought this beautiful faux succulent, because once again, this room does not get a lot of light on that side of the room, or really in the room, because there's a balcony. I also end up getting these. I think I'm just gonna hold off and use these on my vanity that is in the process of being created. I also came over to my nightstand and I'm repositioning. I'm currently drilling holes to reposition this sconce. Can you guys see that? I took this and actually cut these to be shorter and put them in here, and put some books here and gave it some color and some life on this side of the bed, and just make it pretty. I just want to make everything prettier. So I caught myself styling my dresser today, and I am doing this. These are my. I don't feel like painting this blue, so it's clear, so I'm just gonna let it be. But I'm trying to style the tops of these. I had to put these books here because I put my humidifier here one day, and guys, it leaked and the wood puffed up. But I'm obsessed with this, so what are you gonna do? And it's from Target, which I love Target, so yeah, obsessed with this dresser. Anyway, that's one thing I'm doing today. I'm very tired. It's like 7 or 8 o'clock, maybe. I think it's 8. I'm tired, guys. I want to show you guys more of my room, but like I'm nervous too, just because men are creepy on the internet. And men have creeped me on the internet. Like, someone met me the week they met me, they were like watching my stories and was like, oh, I know where you live based off of your view. Yikes. Like, oh my god. So that's kind of like weird to me. And I think if I show you any more of my house, who knows? Like, I don't know. I'm just not at that point where I'm super comfortable. So yeah, I put these pillows in here that I bought today. Not all of them. There's one that I didn't put up, but I'm trying. I don't know how much I love it, but I'm really happy with the things I bought today. Now I gotta go back into the kitchen. It's like 9:30. I'm eating carrots. Oh, it's like 10. It's almost 10. I'm eating carrots. I cannot wait to get a new kitchen. Oh my god. But I organized my fridge and my groceries after I got done with my bedroom. I'm tired. I'm gonna get ready to go lay down in bed. I basically spent several hours laying around because I'm tired of organizing and cleaning. This is a day of my life. Literally. Not doing much at all, but like working. Story of my existence. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch this video. If you liked it, please press that like button and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and DIY and other lifestyle cool fun things from me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys soon.